Hi, Doc Ching.
Hi, Lorena.
You've shared a lot of techniques that really a great help. Even if I'm not practicing as a physical therapist here in the U.S., but listening to your discussion is really a great help.
Yung na-mention yung about stretching the calves and strengthening the dorsiflexors.
Mm-hmm.
So, in-highlight mo talaga yun lagi kahit sa mga post mo.
Mm-hmm.
So, that's noted. I'll take it sa pag-practice ko. Hopefully next month na.
Okay, cool. Good job. Who else? Pallavi. Pallavi, I think is from India. Yes.
Yeah, I love your golden rules. All the contents are basically used in it, I feel.
Maricel said that her laptop is acting up. She wants to share that she appreciates sitting to stand transfer and all the precautions mentioned. It will be beneficial in my practice soon. So, cause I got an offer yesterday. Congratulations! And just recently passed the NPTE. So I can't thank you enough. So you're very welcome. I love how you explain it very well and with informative instructors where you are, or the continuing education in your country where you are. They're doing their best to prepare you to come here. But the difference of them and I is that I'm teaching you the real deal, what I'm doing in real time here in the US. Okay? So it is different when someone's teaching you based on actual experience and what really worked and what really doesn't, not just based on the books or what you read online. Okay?